It's great to see this process getting off to such a fast start. Being a part of it from the ground floor, from the concept, and getting support of the community now to getting into the details and being able to help design what the future buildings will look like, where my children will go to school. It's very exciting.
We get to put our ideas on how we would like the school to look, the flow of it, and the really awesome areas where our children are going to learn.
It's really the community that the school serves, so we want to capture their vision for what that school and learning environment will look like. We're not looking for them to solve the architecture. What we're looking for is what's important to them. What are the adjacencies that's important? What are the features of the site or the community that's important?
Think about how the new school is going to look and picture how I want it to be. It's really nice to be able to just stare at a window, see the beautiful landscape, see everything around you.
I just want something that is conducive to the kids' creativity. I don't want a standard structured classroom. I want something more open for these kids to learn.
I'm excited to have new ideas and new concepts in modern architecture and design be incorporated into these buildings.
Vote on their favorite and then also give feedback about what they liked, didn't like, and then that top vote getter becomes the design solution that we work with.
I think it's great to have community input. I love that the kids were here and involved.
You hear their voice and you get truth from them, and you get a different perspective on what a school should be from students.
It will instill a sense of pride in the students that go there and in the surrounding neighborhood. It will certainly increase the appeal and the look and the aesthetic of the neighborhood surrounding it.
I like that it's going to be newer, better, brighter, and just the technology I hope that they have access to is going to be just so much better. Looking forward to going from smaller condensed spaces to bigger open areas where they can really shine.
It's exciting for these kids because we're going to have a new space for them to learn, more futuristic. It's just great all the way around.